Entry Doors Installation, Taylor, Michigan, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique style and needs. Whether you prefer steel entry doors, fiberglass doors, or wooden entry doors, Taylor, we have a wide selection to choose from. Door replacement services in Taylor, Michigan are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors, Taylor. Our skilled technicians provide comprehensive door frame replacement and door hardware installation to keep your doors operating smoothly. We also offer door security upgrades to enhance the safety of your home or business. Energy-efficient entry doors. Taylor are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection includes doors with superior insulation and weatherproofing features, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We provide door insulation and door weatherproofing services to maximize energy efficiency. Steel entry doors in Taylor, Michigan offer unmatched durability and security for residential and commercial properties. These doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide excellent protection against intruders. Our team can help you select the best steel entry doors for your property and provide professional installation services. Fiberglass entry doors. Taylor are an excellent option for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance and energy-efficient solution. These doors offer the look of real wood without the upkeep, making them a popular choice for busy households. Our experts can guide you through the various entry door styles and door color options available. Wooden entry doors in Taylor, Michigan add a touch of elegance and warmth to any home. Our custom entry doors are crafted from high-quality materials and can be tailored to match your specific design preferences. We offer door design consultation services to help you create the perfect entryway for your home. Door hardware installation in Taylor, Michigan is a vital component of any door upgrade or replacement project. Our team provides a wide range of entry doors Taylor accessories, including handles, locks, and hinges, to enhance the functionality and appearance of your doors. We ensure that all hardware is installed correctly for optimal performance. Entry door maintenance in Taylor, Michigan is essential for prolonging the life of your doors and keeping them looking their best. Our maintenance services include regular inspections, cleaning, and minor replacements to prevent costly replacements. We also offer door installation Taylor warranty options for added peace of mind.